They've been acting really weird for about 2 months now. They leave in the morning and they come back. These are parrots. These are not birds. A few years back, years and years ago, a pet shop caught on fire in Pasadena, and some parrots escaped and they multiplied. But I've been living here 2 years, and for, I'd say, the past 4, maybe 3 months, maybe 3 months, they've been coming back, and they're really loud, and a lot of them. Like as if they multiplied overnight, but I don't think that's what it is. I think they're trying to say something. And people that live on the street that's been living here for years, they're videotaping it and they're looking up. So I know something's going on. I'm outside my window. So here's my windowsill. And these trees are right outside of me, and they're in this tree too. And it's like an invasion. They're loud and intense. So I'm gonna go to my kitchen. Window. I'm going to my kitchen window. Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody. My little Christmas tree over there. Right? I'm going to my kitchen window and see them. They're crazy. They're flying everywhere. They're not crazy, but I think they're trying to say something. I've never seen them like this. They come back. And these are parrots. They even, there was some crows around here. They kicked them off the block. I haven't seen crows in a while. Yeah. So, this is where you go. I don't know. They're very irritated. And they're either irritated or they're trying to say something. I'm not sure. Alright, I'm out.